If you've been editing in CapCut PC and that bright yellow line is getting in the way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the yellow line on CapCut PC in just a few seconds. This is a super quick fix, and once you know it, you'll be able to clean up your timeline and focus on editing without that extra visual distraction. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. The fastest way to remove the yellow line is using a keyboard shortcut. First, make sure your timeline is active. That means click anywhere inside the timeline so CapCut knows you're working there. Once the timeline is selected, simply press the S key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the vertical yellow line should disappear right away. This is the quickest method, and it's perfect if you want a fast solution without digging through menus. If you ever want that line back again, just press S one more time and it will return. So it works like a simple toggle. Now, if the shortcut doesn't work for you, or if you prefer doing things manually, there's another easy way. Look at the toolbar above your tracks on the right-hand side of the timeline area. You should see several small icons there, including zoom and snapping options. Keep an eye out for the preview axis icon. It usually looks like a vertical line crossing a cursor point, and it sits near the other timeline controls. Once you find it, click the Turn Off Preview Axis button. That will disable the yellow line and clean up your preview area immediately. This manual method is great if you like knowing exactly where the setting is, especially if you use CapCut often and want more control over your workspace. So to recap, if you want the fastest fix, press S on your keyboard while the timeline is active. If you want to do it with the interface, go to the toolbar above the tracks, find the preview axis icon and turn off preview axis manually. Either method will remove that yellow line in CapCut PC and help make your editing view a lot cleaner. If this tutorial saved you time, please give this video a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.